Welcome to this short diver instructional video. So we start by logging in with our viewneo account and activating the diver with the help of the reset button. This allows us to get a QR code that we can scan and connect the device. We can then set up our Wi-Fi connection, give the diver a name and assign a network to our device. We also have the option of copying displayed information from another diver, using and editing free templates provided by viewneo, taking a picture or even selecting media from our gallery. And don't forget that you can create your own ads within viewneo. For today, I'll select one of the predefined templates and leave it as it is. On the second diver, I want to feature my T-bone steak special. Now I also know that one of my guests will be celebrating their birthday today with a 6 p.m. reservation. So I go to the Media tab and search for the Happy Birthday template. Here we have the option of editing it and changing the name. Now I can add it to my diver and choose the exact time of when it should appear. Let's imagine that our third diver is located somewhere outside. Given the warm weather, I want to highlight deals between 12 and 6 that are designed to cool off the customer. I'm thinking about featuring cocktails or ice cream, for example. Once 6 p.m. arrives, I want the diver to automatically show the T-bone steak again. The diver lasts for around 2 weeks with a single charge. Another tip is to write down the table number on a piece of duct tape under the device. This helps to make sure that the right diver is placed back on the right table. Thanks for watching.